Hi. Where are we?
At the high school auditorium listening to the middle school band.
Yes, yes we are. So this is very nice on camera.
It's pretty nice in real life too, actually.
Tis. Not a lot of people have this ginormous outness like we do.
I know.
I'm not. I'm being a whore today. That's okay because I'm in high school. I'm allowed to be a whore.
That's funny.
Middle schoolers are not allowed to be whores. Want to go on an adventure?
I would love to go on an adventure. I'm going to tell my friend about our adventure.
I have to pee. That'll be our adventure.
Oh, right. Urinals.
What?
Urinals.
Bah. This is not working.
Oh. No, you know where they are. Everyone knows that. No one has the nerve to stay on the line. What?
Oh, dang it. No, go, go, go! Go! You can still catch it!
Yeah, it's someone in there. I hung up.
Juice.
I know.
Bah.
Ooh. Hi.
Dance.
Oh my god, it's on the head.
Fail.
Happened.
Let's see.
Like his hair.
I want it.
When nobody's here.
Yes. Except that was that restroom down there.
And it was male. There's pee in the one pot.
That was so nasty.
Like, yeah, it's like, what do? Do they stand outside and just let it go? So they didn't trigger the motion sensor?
Oh, I know, guys. Here's the toilet. We're gonna stand off to the side so it can't see that we're peeing in it. Aim. Oh. Underneath the water fountain is the secret lair.
Oh, you like dropped that on my head. I like how we sit there and stare at each other for a while.
If we sit like this, the camera can see us.
Oh. Shut.
I want to go on an adventure with the gangsters to curb stop us if we try to go around them.
I was afraid they pick and rape us.
Middle school rapist gangsters.
Yeah. Have you seen some of those guys?
They're all looking the same to me.
Yeah, and then the girls. Short skirts and low cut tops.
Yes, the middle schoolers are whores, gangster rapists. That's why the middle schoolers are all whores. They want to get raped.
Okay, it's like, this is how it goes. You got us, we're like your average high school level, like when you think of high schoolers, you think of, like, our grade. Our grade fits the quote for regular high schoolers, stereotypical high schoolers. The grade after that is full of a bunch of genius freaking freshmen. Like what? Were they on smart pills for the most of their life or what?
Yeah.
And then the year that apparently is coming in, it's like, yes, Lord.
So we got average, then genius, then whore gangster.
They're probably dumb.
Dumb whore gangster. I hate it when they're smart whores, because that's just annoying.
Yeah.
Like in that one movie, Bad Girls,
Mean Girls.
Mean Girls.
It keeps growling at you.
Shut up.
I actually think that might be its way of saying it likes you.
It's purring.
It wants your baby.
You can't have me. I'm not an objectionist.
You can have my shoe.
No, it can have my shoe.
You almost kissed my shoe.
Ewy.
Get in my shoe, my baby. How does this work?
Oh, I think he likes it. I'm calling that pain.
It's coming back through.
It's okay.
Okay.
Do you object to being on YouTube?
No.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Child. What child? I killed your child. There's nothing in there. Oh, look at all the middle schoolers. Look at them go. Look at them go. Middle school bear. Nerd. I forgot to think of Zoom. Built the band. Look at them. I wonder if Mr. Math will the band. We should ask him. We should. We should. I know. I was not even. I was going to explain. I can't. You'll look at me funny like what? Say hi.
Hi.
I'll say bye.
Bye-bye.